OnePlus 9 Pro will offer a unique twist on adaptive refresh rate displays. I want you to hear me on this, Will. This is on the Pro model. Listen to this. You know you're going to get 120 hertz, okay, which you love. So do I.
Big fan.
But the 120 hertz and the high refresh rates, they use the battery. You are aware of this as well. Mm-hmm. Typically, you would have another option in the settings to go down to a lower refresh to preserve battery life. Okay, fine. Feature's still there. What about these dynamic systems that aim to give you the refresh when you actually need it and then save battery when you don't? Let me ask you something. How often you find yourself on a static image? What do you need a 120 for when you're not even interacting with the thing? Mm-hmm. You don't. So you want to save the battery. Well, listen to this. This adaptive display that OnePlus is going to use in the 9 Pro will dip down to just 1 hertz. This is a first amongst smartphones. And you know, they keep leaking different specs to us. It's an OLED display that ramps down from a quick 120 hertz all the way to 1 hertz when looking at static content. This is a first for any phone, according to OnePlus's claims. If you're browsing photos, reading text, or otherwise looking at static material, you're going to dip all the way down and you won't even notice it because when you go back to interact with the device, ratchets back up, 120, feels quick, battery life saved, world saved, planet saved, universe saved.
All because of that 1 hertz.
I think it's pretty cool.